We see a squirrel right there. Got him.
He fall?
Yeah, he's down.
Oh my gosh.
Got him.
Leave the gun here. Leave the gun here. Here, Mitch. Take the phone. Look at him. I'll hold the gun.
Oh, where'd he go? Here, come help me. Come help me. Just get the gun. Doesn't matter. There it is.
You see him?
Oh, he's still moving. Here. Don't let the camera see it, though. That's so messed up. That's so messed up.
Where is he? No, where is he?
Huh?
Sorry, camera. Where is he?
You don't see him? He's right there.
Oh.
Here. Look out, Tim. What's up, bud? Oh, yeah, again.
Zoom up on him. Huh?
Here. Hold on. Here, David, what are you doing? Fucking walk away. That's the shittiest camera work I've ever seen. Probably looks like... Did he even get me shooting him?
Yeah. I didn't see him fall, though.
Hold on. Let's... Here, give like a branch or something.
What was he poking?
Huh?
Was he poking?
I just want to see it. Come on, what are you doing?
Say, get a branch. Give me a branch.
I know, put the gun right there. Did you see it go down?
Yeah.
With the camera?
I was looking at you.
Fuck. It's gay, I can never get...
I didn't have a good enough angle, so right behind you.
Oh, with the camera? Nice sized squirrel.
He was annoying as crap, too. Ew.
Still alive? I want to get this branch out. Freaking way. It was a female.
Yep.
It's white.
Like, wait?
Yeah. Oh, his head.
Let me see.
Oh. Look at it.
Oh my god.
Look at that blood. Holy shit. Hold on, zoom up on the blood.
Oh my...
Oh my god.
What is it? It's alive. Oh my god.
That is... I'm gonna get him out of here. go up on the other side. I want the camera to get a good look at him.
Oh, he's right there. Dang it.
Make sure you're looking through the bar so you can see. Come on. Can't look at it?
I'm gonna puke.
Really?
That's disgusting.
Yeah. Just go away then. Oh, yep. Nice size squirrel. Got him in the head so he didn't suffer, so that's good. I hate it when I make them suffer. Look out, damn, I'm gonna kind of fling him down. Go. I'm not stabbing him with it. I'm getting the dirt out underneath him. So, oh my god. There we go. Alright. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. As always, like, subscribe, share, sub for sub. Peace.